How to import recipients using a TXT or CSV file in Moosend. First, click on the link provided in the description below to gain easy access on the tool we'll be using. Once there, log in your account or sign up if you don't already have one. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. On the menu bar, click Audience, then select Email Lists. Click on the name of the email list to which you want to add contacts. On the left-hand side menu, click Perform Bulk Actions. On the Choose Bulk Action page, locate and click Import Members into List. In the pop-up dialog, select the CSV TXT file option and click Select. On the Data Selection tab, click Browse and choose the file you want to import. If you have obtained consent from all subscribers on the list through the double opt-in process, select the Yes, Add them as verified, I do have consent from these members checkbox, and click Next. On the Data Mapping tab, you can choose to either keep the default email field or select a custom field. If you want to map a specific column to a field, click the Map to drop-down list, select the desired field, and click Next. On the Notification tab, select whether and how you want to be notified when the import process is completed. Once ready, click Import to initiate the process. A pop-up message will confirm that the import operation has been successfully queued. You can click Go There to view the report of the operation. If you want to see the details of when the import operation started or finished, as well as how many contacts were imported, click View Reports.